Well, the first thing I would ask them to do, and I'm a really big believer in this because it makes a difference, is to write out as soon as possible, as soon as after you've been arrested, to write out what happened from start to finish. And that means everything that was said to you, everything that was done. Cases actually collapse because of things that were said and shouldn't have been said, or things that weren't said and should have been said. So words matter. The things that are actually said to you matter. These things are very significant. And oftentimes cases collapse because of things that weren't done and should have been done, things that weren't said and should have been said. You might want to call it technicalities, and some people call it technicalities. They're not really technicalities. It's the law. You know, there's no such thing as a technicality or a loophole. They don't exist. That's just something the media made up years ago. It's the law. Either the law has been followed in depth in all of the various different road traffic acts that govern drink driving, or it hasn't been. If it is, fine. If it's not, that's different. So I asked them to put down their account straight away and to be sure about it and to spend time on it, to spend a few days making sure this 2 or 3 page document is correct. And if they do that then, and everything that's been said to them, regardless of how innocuous or how irrelevant you might think it is, put it down, because what you might think to be irrelevant, I think to be relevant. Quite a lot of times, if they do that right, there'll be some comment in there that they didn't pay too much attention to, didn't matter to them, or they didn't think was significant, or there was a lack of a comment, or something happened that they didn't think to mention the first time, but yeah, this happened. And I'll seize on that and say, well, that's significant. No, you didn't say it the first time, but that's actually probably how you're going to win. Because this thing which you didn't mention the first time, and which is probably not going to be in the guarded statement because they may not think it's relevant, or they may think, oh, damn, I shouldn't have probably done that, and leave it out. Because you remembered it, it's something that can be put to the guard in the witness box, and that has oftentimes been the difference between success and failure. So a person's memory, the sooner to do it, the better. Very important.